Digital asset management, or DAM, is the practice of organizing, storing, and retrieving digital assets in a centralized system. This system enhances efficiency, collaboration, and content utilization. Digital assets encompass files like images, videos, documents, and graphics. A DAM system provides a repository equipped with tools for categorization, version control, and rights management, enabling users to find, share, and repurpose assets quickly. DAM systems offer centralized storage, providing a single repository for all digital assets. This makes it easy for marketers to access the latest files, reducing duplication or outdated content use. Metadata tagging and search capabilities allow users to locate specific files through robust search functionality. Version control ensures access to the most up-to-date files, while collaboration features streamlined workflows and gather feedback on creative content. Rights management ensures compliance with licensing agreements. For marketers, DAM systems are essential for managing the increasing volume of content required for campaigns, branding, and customer engagement across multiple channels. A DAM system ensures that all assets are organized and easily retrievable, reducing time spent searching for files. It also ensures consistent branding by providing access to approved, on-brand assets, which is critical for maintaining brand identity across campaigns, regions, and teams. DAM systems are invaluable for storing and retrieving assets for campaigns, such as advertisements, videos, and promotional images. They support personalized marketing efforts by enabling the storage and tagging of assets by audience segment, campaign type, or channel. Integrated with other tools, DAM systems streamline content distribution across social media platforms, websites, and email campaigns. For global teams, a DAM system ensures localized content is accessible while maintaining compliance with regional regulations. DAM systems increase productivity by reducing time spent searching for assets, allowing marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. They offer cost savings by eliminating redundant asset creation and minimizing licensing risks. Enhanced customer experience is achieved through faster and more consistent content delivery. DAM systems support scalability, accommodating the growing demand for digital content. They also ensure compliance with licensing agreements, reducing legal exposure. Implementing a DAM system involves initial setup effort, requiring careful planning and resource allocation. Training and adoption are crucial to ensure proper usage and maximize return on investment. Popular DAM platforms include Adobe Experience Manager Assets, known for its integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, Binder, offering a user-friendly interface, Widen Collective, ideal for managing large volumes of assets, Canto, focusing on simplicity, and Cloudinary, providing advanced media optimization.